So actually, let's ask that question. Why did it take so long for these national awards to be truly nationally representative? Syed Zafar Islam, MP and national spokesperson of the BJP, joins us along with Vivek Srivastav, political analyst. And that first question is to you, Manasvi Thapar. I wonder if you heard some of the voices that we had on the show right now. Why didn't we have Chutni Devi get a Padma Award earlier? She's been doing this since the 1980s.
Padmaja ji, it is not about Padma Awards of 1954 versus Padma Awards of 2021. We are creating a wrong narrative in this country that only after 2014 the Padma Awards or anything whatever happened in this country is nationalistic. Are we saying from 1954 to 2013 all the awards which were given to Padma winners were not nationalistic? Are we trying to give this narrative to this country?
It's not about nationalism, sir. It is about representation.
Yes, Padmaja ji, I'm talking about that.
Sir, name me, educate us, educate all of us. Name me two transgender activists who have got Padma Awards earlier. Name one.
Are we going to compare? No, it's not about that. Are we going to compare कि पहले नहीं मिला था अब मिल गया? So are we going to create that in 2041?
करना चाहिए.
तो
आप diversity को reward करते हैं ना? That is the beauty of India. We are a diverse country. We should reward that diversity. We should have representation.
In diversity, do we want to say our ancestors of the 13th Prime Minister, of the 14th Prime Minister did a wrong thing by not selecting him? Of the 14 Prime Ministers which we have had in this country, 7 were from Congress. You can blame Congress for everything. Other 7 Prime Ministers were not from Congress. So are we saying the other Prime Ministers were selective in their approach to give Padma Awards? No. अगर राधा कृष्ण साहब को डॉक्टर राधा कृष्ण को पद्म भारत रत्न दिया जरूरी था, विनोबा भावे को भारत रत्न दिया वो भी जरूरी था, भीमसेन जी को दिया वो भी जरूरी था, और आज जिन लोगों को मिला all those were necessary. So these people were not even born in 1950. So अगर उस समय में किसी को मिल गया, so are we saying that ये गलत मिला उन लोगों को?
Actually, sir, one of the people who has got a Padma Award today is 103 years old. So he was definitely around during the earlier government.
So there are lots of people,
and he was still doing the work
in their 40s,
that he is doing today.
So what I am doing today, after 20 years, I may be doing something else. So I may not get something right now. So let's not create a divide in Padma Awards also. Let's respect these exemplary human beings who have contributed for this nation today and also in their yesterdays. So let's set a good example. ये नहीं होता, हर चीज एक कंपटीशन नहीं होता. Let's be a complementing country.
Syed Zafar Islam, let's not politicize our citizens.
See, we are not trying to politicize, we are just narrating the truth. And what is the truth? That Padma Award earlier was given not based on merely on merit, but there are many things which was also
name those non-meritorious Padma winners
to get the Padma Award.
One by one, please. You had your say. Manasvi Thapar, you can come back with a rebuttal. Please. Let him finish his point. Then rebuttal.
I didn't.
Yes.
Why are you so? So allow me to complete. I didn't interrupt you, so please don't interrupt me. Let's have civilized debate. So all I'm saying that the process which is being followed now and the process which was being followed earlier, like for instance, we used to see often that they used to come to a member of parliament to recommend their names. Those who are aspiring to become Padma awardee, they used to come to a member of parliament, people in a position of strength to recommend their name, and that was the process, and that was something we acknowledged by the position of people in authority that yes, these people have been recommended by X, Y, Z. Some of them may be deserving, some of them may be not be deserving. But today, what is the process is important. It is every countryman can recommend. First, online you can choose a person based on the contribution they have made to the society. You can recommend their name, and it is a team which is actually evaluate purely based on merit. And thus, just see, the people who are not aware that they will be given Padma Shri Award, they have not done any lobbying. They are not even aware of what is Padma Award. Yet they have been awarded, and something which is something you need to acknowledge. It is not BJP, Congress. It is the citizen which is being empowered, and citizen who are deserving needs to be acknowledged their contribution to the society. What is wrong in it? I think you
Padmaja
people
ji.
have a very corrupt mind. Very corrupt
Padmaja
mind.
ji.
Manasvi Thapar.
You only see
Padmaja ji,
negatives
Sayyed
in
ji,
everything.
Three very.
What when I am telling you,
Sayyed ji, can I come in now?
Yes, go on,
you are a
Manasvi
lawyer,
Thapar.
but your
Sayyed ji
mindset
made
is
three
not of a
important
lawyer.
points. He said that
Mindset is of not a
previously
lawyer.
the awards which were given
You have
were
a corrupt
non-meritorious. Previously, the awards which were given were through lobby. So I want to ask him, of the 4,875 awards given from the Padma Awards category, name me 5 awards which are non-meritorious. Name me 5 awards which are through lobbying. So let's not create that narrative if you do not have the ability to name them right now in front of the country. Let's not create this illusion.
Sayyid Zafar Islam, are you running down the earlier awardees?
Let's respect.
Are you running down the earlier awardees by saying that they were all through lobbying?
Discredit them. Discredit even one. I challenge you on a live debate.
First of all,
Discredit
Sayyid
name of
Zafar
one
Islam.
award winner. Don't
you have,
just come on
you
a
have
news
spoken.
channel
Let
and
me
create a
respond to
narrative
you.
that only
I think you are.
2014, everything is transparent.
Are you a man with
Let's not doubt
no brain?
Bhim Sen when he got
I am responding to your message. But are you responding to you?
The country is listening to
Please
you.
allow me
Okay,
to
let him
complete.
respond. Let
I
him
didn't.
respond, sir. Let him respond. Go on.
I think he's gone mad. Please understand what I'm trying to tell you. I am not discrediting anyone. All I'm saying, neither any political party nor anyone. All I'm saying the process. Sometimes what you follow the process actually makes if the process is weak, the consequences is very different and the result is very different. All I'm saying.
Name that person, na.
I will not name. It's those who have got. You are. अरे मानसवी जी, अब मानसवी जी आप किस समाज से
अटल जी के वक्त में भी यही प्रोसेस
नहीं आप पे कितना अनसिविलाइज
के वक्त में यही प्रोसेस
एक मिनट
प्लीज डोंट क्रिएट अ इल्यूजन ऑन दिस कंट्री दैट इन दिस लास्ट 70 years nothing have happened in this country.
मानसवी जी, you are an uncivilized man. You are insensitive man. I will not name anyone. Those who have got the award, they must enjoy. No, I will not name anyone. You are insensitive man. You are an insensitive man. That is the culture you have.
You are fooling the country.
Why will I name anyone? Somebody who has got the award must.
Okay, not running down those who have been awarded in the past, but definitely questioning why a cross section of people were not given representation. Let me ask you this, Vivek Srivastav, just to look at a little data. In the year 2013, there were 21 Padma awardees from Delhi, 27 from Maharashtra, as opposed to 2021, where there were 6 from Delhi and 6 from Maharashtra. Now looking at some other data. Between 2013 and 2021, in Assam, there was 1 awardee in 2013, 9 in 2021. In Punjab, there were no awardees in 2013, 5 in 2021. From Bihar, there are 5 in 2021, none in 2013. Uttarakhand, 2 in 2021, none in 2013. Would you agree that India is not about Maharashtra and Delhi? There are several corners of the country which seem to be invisible so far when it came to these awards. Why?
Yes. Now, yes, I'll tell you. First of all, I think as per the data that you have given, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a bad prime minister. So that is one sense, one thing in which both you and I agree now.
I don't think Vajpayee ji was the prime minister in 2013. I'm talking about the year 2013, not till the year 2013.
But he was the prime minister at one time. I'm sure it happened. No. It happened for the first time in 2021. You were saying that the Padma Awards are given righteously.
I didn't say that at all.
Vajpayee was not a good prime
I just
minister.
compared year on year.
So now moving ahead.
Year with year. I never said till 2021 or till
implies.
2013.
No?
I said in the year 2013
Okay. So now
as
you are
opposed to
saying,
in the year
okay,
2021.
Yes. Yes, doesn't matter. Now listen to me firstly. See, everything cannot be a photo op. Our Prime Minister is a very good advertising man. He would have been a very good CEO of a very successful advertising company. Everything is a photo op. We communists, we go to Bastar, we go to villages, we go to forests, we work with tribals. It is the communists who have been working on these issues for a very, very long time. but we never do photo ops.
What is
you
the
make
photo op
labor
in
laws
giving
which
an
are
award?
anti-labor,
Are
and
you
here
saying
you
all
say,
these
look,
people are
we are
getting
giving
awards
Padma
because
Award.
they make for good
Let me speak. Let me
photos?
speak. Can I speak?
But what does
let
it
me
have to do with the
speak.
photo
At least
op?
give me 30 seconds, madam.
Yes, go on.
At least give me 30 seconds. Can I speak for a minute, Padma? In every debate this happens, you never let me speak. Why are you scared? Give me a minute. First of all, you make labor laws which are anti-labor, anti-poor. And here, just by showcasing and for a photo op opportunity, you give two people a Padma Award. I am not against the people who got the awards. Okay, I am not against the people who got the award. Let them celebrate. Let the nation celebrate. There is no problem. The Prime Minister says, and so does the BJP, ये देखिए साहब बिना चप्पल के महिला आई है, इसको हमने पद्मा अवार्ड दिया है. बिना चप्पल के वो घूमता है जिसके पास चप्पल पहनने का पैसा ना हो. If she has reached the national capital, if she has reached the President of India, वहां पे चप्पल आपने दी क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि आपको फोटो खिंचवानी है. You are more interested in the photo ops. You are more interested in the image building. You don't want to work
Syed
onto the
Zafar
grounds.
Islam. So you're
You
saying
don't want to
you're
give
saying
people the
you're
slippers.
saying that Tulsi Gowda was there for a photo without a chappal. I don't know what to say to that. Syed Zafar Islam.
Padmaja.
Not Tulsi Gowda. She was
Padmaja,
not given a, she was not
see,
given a
first of all,
chappal because they
I
wanted
must
a photo
request
op.
Vivek ji and Manasvi ji that have a civilized debate. I am not interrupting anyone when you are speaking, so please do not interrupt. You will have an opportunity to speak as well. All I am saying that he was insisting me to name someone. I could have named. I know many people, but I don't want to name anyone purely because they are enjoying. They have been given awards by the government, the then government. I don't want to run down their contributions, whatever contribution they have made, whether deserving, not deserving. I don't want to make any comment. All I'm saying that there is a differentiating factor now. The process is very different. We identify people who really deserve their contribution. For instance, last year, a man was chosen
You are
because
just
he was
advertising
in a
and
village.
going for image
Padmaja
building.
ji,
was-
Padmaja ji, this is an insult to all the previous
Sir,
Padma Award winners.
labor laws पे
Padmaja ji,
बोलिए ना थोड़ा.
अरे
this is an
यार,
insult to all the
minimum
previous
wages
Padma
पे
Award
बोलिए.
winners. And
We,
we need to
it is this government who will recognize the true talent. It is this government who will recognize the people who have made the contribution to society. Unlike you people who are actually people were buying Padma awards. People were buying Padma awards. Those who were not deserving Padma awards have been given Padma awards because of the mindset of Manasvi, and you have.
The greatest contributors.
I'm not insulting, but you are insulting. You are by asking their name. I don't want to run down anyone. But yes, there are people who have bought, there are people who have been influenced by people. There are people who have lobbied for it. And people like you who have no character have supported it.
Let's not create this divide.
The process is very
Let's not
simple.
create this divide.
The process is very simple, that it has been opened up now, that citizens can nominate. The simple question still remains. Why couldn't that have been done? It is not about running down earlier awardees or to say that they have no achievements. It's a simple question where we are just posting pictures, where we're just sharing with you stories and asking, were these stories not deserving of recognition earlier? And if yes, why did they go unnoticed? Just a simple question to think about. For the time being, gentlemen, thank you very much for having joined us. And truly, truly today, this day belongs only and only to these real heroes from every corner of India who make India the great country that it is. Thanks for watching.